Hey, it's Ken from My Math Assistant, and I just wanted to show you what's called Teacher Mode in the My Math Assistant platform. It's the ability to see your student's account while still being logged into your parent or teacher account, and it has some practical benefits, I especially use it when I'm going over a lesson with my students, so let me show you how it works. What you do is you click the login button next to your student's name, and click the Teacher Mode on the little pop-up screen. This will open a new tab that actually allows you to see your student's account while still being logged into your parent account, and it gives you a few extra buttons that the student won't have. And you can see one difference right away. Just to remind you that you're in teacher mode, it has this little gray banner at the top, and it tells you which student that you're acting as. And the reason why it says acting as is because you can actually type in answers for your student on this screen. So often what I'll do, let me go to the assignments page in lesson 111. So if I'm going over a lesson with one of my students, I can see all the questions they got correct, all the ones that they need help with, maybe the ones that got incorrect, and we can actually go over the lesson right here. This is one way to go over a lesson with your student. So as we're working a problem together, maybe we get the right answer, and I'll go ahead and just type it in here and click check answer. Or you can actually mark a question correct, incorrect, or even reset a question right from this screen. This also gives you an easy way to watch the lesson video together, or to look at their facts practice, or any of the sections of their math lesson. Keep in mind that you are still logged in with your parent account, and you shouldn't allow your student to have access to this because there are some ways that they could, of course, affect their score by marking all the questions correct, some tools that they shouldn't have access to. When you're finished, you just close the tab to go back to your parent account, and you can continue on with what you're doing before. And that's pretty much it. It's a great tool to use when you're going over lessons with your student after they've done the initial grading.